If you're dreaming of hitting the open road, then don't miss your chance to live the All for Adventure dream. This year, we've assembled an awesome prize package worth over $215,000. There's a brand new Isuzu D-Max.
Looks just like mine.
It's got the best gear from the best names in the business.
Got everything you're going to need to get off-road.
And it's got all the gear to get you out of trouble if you get stuck. There's a Jayco Crosstrack for your home away from home.
You're going to need some toys.
There's a boat and outboard.
And some great fishing gear to go with it.
Not to mention, there's $5,000 to spend with our friends at BCF. And one lucky person is gonna win the lot.
And look, you can boost your chances to win with bonus keywords.
And if you're an Unleashed subscriber, you double your chances to win. So register now and you can be living the All for Adventure dream.